Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get sushi rolls and other cosmetic items in Brawl Stars. There are several exciting ways to enhance your brawler's look and express yourself in-game. We will cover purchasing items directly, earning rewards through gameplay, and finding special offers. Get ready to customize your brawlers with awesome skins, pins, and sprays, making every match uniquely yours. The in-game shop and catalog are primary sources for cosmetics. You can buy many skins, pins, and sprays using either gems or bling. The shop updates daily with new offers, so always check back for great deals. The catalog provides a comprehensive collection of almost all available cosmetic items, allowing you to browse and purchase your favorites at any time. You can earn fantastic cosmetic rewards just by playing. Win matches to receive up to 3-star drops each day. These drops offer random items like skins, pins, and even brawlers, with rarities from rare to legendary. Additionally, advancing through the Brawl Pass tiers unlocks exclusive skins, pins, and other valuable items, providing a consistent stream of new content. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as they often feature unique cosmetic rewards. You can also find promotional QR codes released by Supercell, which grant free pins and player icons when scanned. Furthermore, check the Supercell store for special codes that can be redeemed for various exclusive items, adding even more flair to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.